Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert en dash and em dash symbols in Word document. So to put the en dash signs, you need to type a word, for example dash, give a space and put a hyphen. This is over here, and give a space, type the second word and hit the space bar, and here you can see that. So for an em dash symbol, then you need to type the first word, for example em dash, then two hyphens, and here is the two hyphens, and then the next word sign and hit the space bar after the second word. The two hyphens merge into the an em dash. So there is another method to type the en dash sign. You need to press this control key and on the number keypad press this minus key, and here it is. And for the em dash signs you need to press control alt and minus, and here it is. So if the keyboard tricks are not sticking, you can find them in the special characters menu. For this you need to go to the insert and click on the symbols, click on the symbol, more symbols. So in the font section you need to select the normal text, and in the subsect you need to select the spacing modifier letter, and now find it, and here is the en symbol, click insert, and em dash symbol, click insert and close it. So in the fourth method, to type the en dash symbol, type 2013 and press alt X all together, and here it is. And for em dash you need to type 2014 and press alt X all together, and here it is. So with these methods you can easily insert en dash and em dash symbols in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.